Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We are on 1.5 of the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 2, and this question deals with probability and reading data from a table. So they've said that human blood is classified into 8 main blood groups. So the South African National Blood Service are regularly appealing to the eligible people to donate blood. So they've given us that table 2 shows the distribution of the 8 different blood groups, and then table 3 shows us the compatibility between blood groups. So this one shows the percentage distribution, so that I think 100% is of, if you add all of these together, it will come to 100%. So it's saying that of all people in the population of South Africa, like 39% are O positive, 6% are O negative, and so on. This table number 3 now is saying that if you're AB positive, are you compatible with an O positive blood group? And the answer is yes. So that this is basically showing that all AB positive blood donors are compatible with all other blood groups. But, like for example, AB negative is only compatible with O negative, A negative, and B negative, and AB negative. So that's 4 out of the 8. So with this in mind, we can go into the first question, which is 1.5.1, and it says write down the probability of randomly selecting a South African who is classified in the O blood group. So if we go now to table 2, we can see that the O blood group comprises of O positive and O negative. So we need to add those two together because this is the percentages, and that will give us our probability. So the probability of blood type O equals the O plus the O negative. So this is going to equal, it's the 39% plus the 6%, which comes to a total of 45%. So there's a 45% chance that if you're a South African, your blood type is O. Moving on to 1.5.2, they've now said identify the blood group of a recipient that has 100% probability of being able to receive blood from any donors. So going back to this table number 3, we can see that, as I said, this AB positive is compatible with yes O plus, yes O minus, yes A plus, yes A negative, and all of the categories are yes. Where we can see for AB minus, it's not everyone. For A plus, it's not everyone. These ones are not compatible. A minus, the same thing, and all the other blood groups don't fulfill every single one. So the only one with 100% compatibility is AB plus. So the answer there is AB plus. And then finally on to 1.5.3, they are saying here, verify with reason whether it is most likely for an O minus blood group to be able to receive blood from any donor. So if we go to O minus, we can see their compatibility is only with O minus. So there's no other blood group that it's compatible with. So is it likely that they'll be compatible? The answer is no, because they only can receive blood from their own blood group. So the answer, as I said, is no, and the reason being they can only receive blood from their own group. And you can see that they have, it's just basically, it's 1 out of 8 chance that they can receive it. So you'll get a mark for saying no and another mark for giving a valid reason. You actually get another 2 marks for giving a valid reason. And that concludes question 1.5. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with this personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.